Anyway, so as you can see, we are getting my bike repaired. How pretty it is outside today. Before, the leaves were falling like crazy because it's kind of windy and breezy today, but now, you know, everything's staying still. Just when I put out the camera. Anyway, so as you can see, we are getting my bike repaired because the this part of the bike is open and it makes my tire flat. So we're just gonna go to the bike store. We might have to just wait 5 minutes or we'll have to wait a day. We don't know that much about bikes, we just like riding them. So, you guys excited to go to the bike store?
Yes. Video will be.
That's funny.
Yeah, this one's going on YouTube. Have anything you want to say?
Julie doesn't listen.
Filming this?
I want to see if anything good happens. Yeah.
There's Mineola bicycles in that.
No, but people know where we live.
That's it. Yeah, we don't even live in Mineola.
Yeah, good point.
Hello. Just got a flat tire on this.
That's all you need?
Did we?
That's all you need?
Yeah.
While they're doing all that, you see, I'm gonna be getting a new bike soon, like, not now, maybe like next year or so, because I'm growing and soon I'm gonna be ready for an adult bike. So, let's see, any like girly bikes that aren't too, like, they're not boys, they have to be girls. See. Oh, this one looks nice. I like that one. Let's see what else they have here. I think that sounds alright. Here they have a lot of bikes back here. That's good. I don't want to be away from my dad too long. Oh my gosh. Oh my. And maybe I might grow out of that style. But I would like that now. Anyway, that bike. This is what I want. Look at that price. $439 bucks. Now, let me tell you something. Now, I'm not gonna say where we live. That attracts burglars. But where we live, the prices are higher than most of the country. So, when you see everything at such high prices, well, where we live explains why. People make bigger salaries and things cost more. Right, Dad? Oh, look at that. Now it's on some kind of levitation thingy. I think this one's going to be a little more interesting.
Yeah, just
Found it?
Yep. Is that enough?
No, where'd you get that licorice?
No.
Ooh, candy. Ooh. I think I made good choices. Yep, well, there's my bike raised on something, and the guy's gonna fix it. We don't know how he fixes it, but he's just gonna fix it. I better stop recording. You guys are probably getting my bike now. It only has one wheel. It's so weird. See? This is the wheel I was on there. Ah, I see where it was broken now. Here, that's why the air was coming out. Now it's down and it's getting its last couple of touches. There's Dad standing there doing nothing. And yeah. Now, the two of us are gonna go on a bike ride around our neighborhood because Dad is at work now. He does night shifts. And today, she just happened to be off. That's, you know, her that is. So yeah, I'm starting to ride. She's still setting up. And yeah. Now, we're back. Because we went around like the block maybe like 5-6 times. I mean, I could have done more, but she was exhausted. So now she's just setting up those scarecrows. Now our house is all harvested out, and that's all from me. Well, like I said in our last vlog, I told you this was going to be 10 times better.